Introducing the newest addition to the incredible ARDEX adhesive range, ARDEX AF 195. AF 195 is a fibre-reinforced high-temperature adhesive, perfect for fitting LVT in all areas, including conservatories and rooms with floor-to-ceiling windows. It's easy to spread and offers you an extended working time of up to 30 minutes, giving you more time for complex designs such as feature strips and herringbone. The fibres stop the tiles and planks from moving side to side during fitting, meaning more of the adhesive stays on the underside of the flooring rather than squeezing through the joints, making less mess. ARDEX AF 195 gives you maximum bond strength where temperatures can reach up to 50 degrees Celsius. It also provides an exceptional early grab, which means your floors can be walked on in as little as 4 hours. For more information on ARDEX AF 195, visit ardex.co.uk or give our technical team a call.